What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's cold early. I'm about to get some coffee, head on to the shop. This morning I'm gonna show you guys how to customize a V-brace behind your kidney grills, you know, like the F80 styles. I'm gonna do it to my E90. I'm actually gonna get some pipe right now, cut it out since I have the bumper already off. So I'm just gonna insert that not the kidney grill, I'm gonna insert the V-brace behind the kidney grill. I'm gonna paint them in yellow to, you know, complement the colors that I'm putting on the car right now. So yeah, I'm gonna head to get some coffee first, and I'll pick up the vlog when I'm at Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts, you need to sponsor me, you know. I can do a lot of ads for you guys.
Hi, Duncan. Good morning.
Morning, let me get a medium hot coffee. Yeah, I have to represent for my Dunkin', you know. Need a caffeine in the early morning, start my day. You know, got a lot to do today. I have to go work in this car, I have school. I have a lot of shit to do. So yeah, I'll pick up this vlog when I'm at the shop. Alright guys, so I'm here at the car. There's my pipe right there. I'm gonna do some measurements. Because I'm gonna install it right here. Let me flip this camera. I'm gonna install it right there. I'm gonna remove these and I'm gonna install the pipes this way. And the V-brace, that's on the the F80. So I'm gonna do some measurements. I'm gonna sit the camera down on the tripod and I'll get to work. So this whole time I think I was recording, but I didn't hit record. I cut the pipes, I measured them, I cut them, and I line them up, I install them. I cut a hole right in here so I can stick this side of the pipe through, and there's a hole right there that I'm gonna put a bolt through to screw in the pipe right there, so it's gonna be firm and nice. So that's how it's gonna look. I'm gonna paint them yellow. This need to go back in, but, I'm not ready to do that yet after I screw the pipes in, but I'm gonna rub them down and paint them first. So I'm gonna try to put you back on the tripod again. Hopefully I hit record this time. Alright, so next step. So this is how I cut them. Cut a slot on these two ends, so that way it can fit right here and go through that hole up there that I made. And that's it. I'm just gonna sand these down, put some sealer on them and paint it so that way it won't strip. And I might put some clear on it so, you know, protect the paint. I'll go on.
Where are these then?
There. What? What? Mine too smutty. Stop thinking what you're thinking. I'm just sanding down a pipe. just made these 2 holes so that way I can hang them up to paint them. You know, I don't want to hold them or put them down. I'm gonna hang them so I can paint them properly. Gloss yellow, 2x coverage. Take well. So since I'm putting the V-brace yellow in the car, I'm gonna paint over these BMW colors. I'm about to tape them off. Yeah. I'm about to tape them off and put them all black. I'm gonna do the taping and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Alright, so everything is installed. Only have the license plate to go back on. So that's how I custom the V-brace. Let me know what you guys think. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also leave a comment. Let me know if you like the V-brace. I'm out.